In this video, we will learn how to improve our reading skills and vocabulary by reading books. Hello friends, from this video, I am going to start series of videos which will help in improving your vocabulary. So, we will take a reference from a book called Leadership Wisdom from the Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. हम आप सभी को पता है इस चैनल के माध्यम से हम आपकी इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी को इम्प्रूव करने का पूरा प्रयास करेंगे और इस ही सीरीज़ में इसी श्रृंखला में अभी हम नई सीरीज़ स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जिसमें ना कि ही आपकी वोकैबुलरी इम्प्रूव होगी प्लस आपको आपकी रीडिंग एबिलिटी भी इन्हांस होगी। इसके लिए हम एक बुक का रेफरेंस लेंगे, लीडरशिप विजडम। हम कोई भी बुक का रेफरेंस ले सकते हैं। तो इस सीरीज़ में मैं चैप्टर वाइज वो रीड करूँगी। इससे आपके प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी इम्प्रूव होंगे और प्लस जो उन चैप्टर्स में जो वर्ड्स आएंगे उन वर्ड्स के जब चैप्टर ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो हम उसके मीनिंग देखेंगे और वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी शेयर कर दूँगी। और हर चैप्टर में हर पैराग्राफ में जो भी डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हमको मिलेंगे हम उनको लिस्ट डाउन करके उनके मीनिंग्स भी डिस्कस करेंगे। सो आई होप आप सभी को यह सीरीज़ अच्छी लगे। And before moving forward, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing my channel. So let's start the video and I will start with chapter 1. So मैं पहले चैप्टर वाइज रीड करूँगी और मैं अंडरलाइन करती जाऊँगी जो भी वर्ड्स जो कि हार्ड वर्ड्स होंगे और जिनकी वोकैबुलरी के मीनिंग हमको मुझे लगेगा कि वो डिफ़िकल्ट हैं तो वो मैं लिस्ट डाउन मैं अंडरलाइन करती रहूँगी और एट लास्ट मैं उन सभी के मीनिंग आपसे शेयर करूँगी। सो दिस इज़ द चैप्टर, फर्स्ट चैप्टर। सो गाइस, लेट्स स्टार्ट चैप्टर 1, A Wild Ride to Success. It was the saddest day of my life as I arrived at work after a rare long weekend spent hiking and laughing in the mountains with my kids. I saw two enormous security guards hunched over mahogany desk in my coveted corner office. अब आप इस सेंटेंस को देखो। इसी सेंटेंस में आपको 4 वर्ड्स मिल जाएंगे, 4 वोकैबुलरी हमको इसी सेंटेंस में मिल गई। तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ साथ साथ में ही कि इनॉर्मस का मतलब होता है कि वेरी लार्ज इन साइज, जैसे कि इनॉर्मस बिल्डिंग। इनॉर्मस मतलब वेरी लार्ज इन साइज, विशाल। हंच्ड मतलब होता है झुकना। मतलब मैंने ये देखा कि 2 काफ़ी विशाल सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स जो थे वो झुके हुए थे। झुकना, हंच्ड का मतलब होता है झुकना। ओवर द महगानी डेस्क इन माई कवर्टेड कॉर्नर ऑफिस। महगानी इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ वुड होती है, मतलब वो डेस्क जो है वो एक महगानी टाइप ऑफ वुड जो है वो उससे बनी हुई थी। इन माई कवर्टेड कॉर्नर मतलब कवर्टेड मीन्स प्रतिष्ठित, प्रतिष्ठित जो वो बोलते हैं कवर्टेड कॉर्नर ऑफिस। रनिंग क्लोजर I could see that they were rifling through my files and peeking the precious document on my laptop computer. Okay, so this is rifling. Rifling का मतलब होता है कि to search something usually in order to steal from it. Basically rifling का मतलब ये होता है, मतलब वो लोग they were rifling through my files and peeking the precious documents on my laptop computer. Now तो हमको इसी में से मिल गए 1 2 3 4 5 वोकैबुलरी मिल गई। Now oblivious to the fact that I had spotted them. अब oblivious का मतलब क्या होता है? बेखबर। Oblivious to the fact that I had spotted them. बेखबर। Oblivious का मतलब होता है बेखबर। Finally one of them noticed me standing there. My face flushed with anger, my hands shaking at the sight of this unforgivable invasion. Invasion का मतलब होता है आक्रमण। बेसिकली इसका मतलब होता है आक्रमण। तो अब आप देख लीजिए कि इतने से में ही हमको कितने सारे वोकैबुलरीज मिल चुके हैं। इनॉर्मस, हंच्ड, mahogany, coveted, rifling, oblivious, invasion. With an expression that revealed not a hint of emotion, he looked at me and spoke 15 words that left me feeling as if I had just been I had just been kicked in the chest. Mr. Franklin, you have been fired. We must escort you out of the building immediately. तो escort तो हमको escort तो we all know what's the meaning of escort, a person who takes somebody's control, escort करना, बाहर ले जाना. With the simple dispatch, I went from being the senior vice president of the fastest growing software company on the continent to a man without a future. And believe me, I took my dismissal very hard. Dismissal means होता है बर्खास्त करना. So dismissal हो जाएगा कि बर्खास्ती. Failure was a foreign concept to me, an experience I had no idea how to manage. In college, I had been a golden boy, the kid with the perfect grades, the beautiful girls, boundless future. I made the varsity track team. Varsity का मतलब basically होता है university, विश्वविद्यालय, आप समझ लो. So विश्वविद्यालय की track team. So was elected class president and even found the time to host hugely popular jazz show on our campus radio station. It seemed to all concerned I was gifted and destined for great success. Destined का मतलब basically होता है नियति. Destined मतलब किसी भी person का future. So destined हो गया for great success. One day I had overheard one of my old professors saying to a colleague, if I had the chance to live my life over again, I would like to come back as Peter Franklin. Mind you, my talents were not as natural as everyone believed. The true source of my achievements could be traced back to a punishing work ethic and almost obsessive desire to win. अब obsessive का मतलब क्या होता है? Addictive. Obsessive इधर आप देखो तो obsessive desire to win means addictive desire to win. My father had come to this country as a penniless immigrant many years ago with a deeply held vision of a more tranquil, prosperous and happy life for his young family. अब इसी में देख लो आप penniless आया है और ये tranquil आया है. तो इसका मतलब तो हो गया इमिग्रेंट मीन्स पेनीलेस इमिग्रेंट मीन्स होता है नो मनी, जिसके पास मनी नहीं होता. मतलब ट्रैंक्वाइल का हम देखें तो मतलब होता है शांत, फ्री फ्रॉम डिस्टर्बेंस, काम, इसका मतलब वो होता है. प्रॉस्परस एंड हैप्पी लाइफ फॉर हिज यंग फैमिली. ही चेंज्ड आवर फैमिली नेम, सेटल्ड अस इनटू अ 3-room apartment in the honest part of town and started working tirelessly as a factory worker for minimum wage, a job he would keep for the next 40 years of his life. And though he had no formal education, I had never met a wiser man until recently, when I met a most extraordinary human being, a person who you truly must get to know. I promise to tell you more about him shortly. You will never be the same. So extraordinary का मतलब होता है extraordinary का मतलब तो सभी को पता होगा बिल्कुल हटके. My father's dream for me was a simple one: get a first-class education at a first-class school. A career of peak achievement and just compensation would then be assured, or so he thought. कॉम्पनसेशन का मतलब होता है बेसिकली सैलरी जो होती है ना, वो होता है एम्प्लॉयर जो सैलरी देता है उसको हम कॉम्पनसेशन भी बोलते हैं. सो बेसिकली ये वो होता है, वुड बी अश्योर्ड. सो ही थॉट हिज फर्म बिलीव वॉज दैट a well-developed base of personal knowledge laid the foundation for a successful life. No matter whatever happens to you, Peter, no one will ever be able to take away your education. Knowledge will always be your best friend, no matter where you go or what you do. He would often say to me while finishing his supper after another grueling 14-hour day at the factory he devoted most of his life to. अब सपर का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो सपर मीन्स होता है इवनिंग मील, सपर. और ग्रूअलिंग का मतलब होता है बेसिकली एक्सट्रीमली टायरिंग, मतलब जो जब वो 14 आवर्स लिखा हुआ है ना, ग्रूलिंग 14 आवर डे एट द फैक्ट्री ही डिवोटेड मोस्ट ऑफ हिज लाइफ टू। सो ग्रूलिंग का मतलब होता है एक्सट्रीमली टायरिंग, और सफ़र का मतलब होता है इवनिंग मील। He was also a great storyteller, one of the best. In his home country, the elders used parables to convey the wisdom of the ages to their children. So he carried this rich tradition with him to his adopted country. So parables means hota hai lesson. A story is used to illustrate a moral or spiritual lesson. So from the day that my mother died suddenly while making his lunch in our well-worn kitchen until the time that my brother and I entered our teenage years, my father would send us off to a dreamy sleep with a delightful story that always had a life lesson. One that particularly stands out in my mind is about an old farmer on his deathbed who asked his 3 sons to gather around him. Sons, he said, death is close by and I shall soon take my last breath. But before I do, I must share a secret with you. In that field behind our farmhouse, there lies a glorious treasure. Dig deep and you shall find it. You will never have to worry about money again. Once the old men had died, the sons ran out to the field and started digging with wild abandon. Digging मतलब होता है to make hole by breaking up. So they started digging with a wild abandon. Abandon मतलब होता है त्याग देना, छोड़ देना. They dug for many hours and continued for many days. No part of the field was left untilled as they put every ounce of their youthful energy into this task. But alas, no treasure could be found. Eventually, they gave up, cursing their father for his apparent deception and wondering why he would choose to make such fools of them. Apparent का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे clearly, स्पष्ट, और deception का मतलब है धोखा, छल, and wondering why he would choose to make such fools of them. However, the following fall, that same field yielded a harvest the likes of which the entire community had never seen before. The 3 sons quickly became rich. They never worried about the money again. So, from my father, I learned the power of dedication, diligence and hard work. Dedication मतलब होता है wanting to give your time and energy to something, means hard work. This was a simple token of thanks for all he had done. When it came time to enter the workforce, I had already been offered a lucrative management position in the high-tech field, the field of my choice. अब यहाँ पे देखिए lucrative आया. Lucrative का मतलब होता है लाभप्रद. Management position in the high-tech field, the field of my choice. The company was called Digitex Software Strategies and it was the place where everyone wanted to work. Astonishingly successful, the pundits predicted its meteoric growth would only continue, and I felt truly honored that the firm had actively recruited me to become a member of its high-flying team. अब astonishingly का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे surprisingly. Astonishingly means surprisingly. Quickly accepting the post, I began working 80 hours weeks to prove that I was worth every penny of the lofty salary I received. Lofty means होता है impressive salary. Little did I know that 7 years later, the very same company would humiliate me as I had never been humiliated before. मतलब to make somebody feel very embarrassed. Humiliate का मतलब होता है. The first few years at Digitech were good ones. They really were. I made some fine friends, learned a great deal, and quickly rose through the executive ranks. I became the acknowledged superstar, a young man who had a razor-sharp mind, who knew how to work hard, and who showed true commitment to the company. Though I had never really been taught how to manage and lead people. They just kept on promoting me to ever higher positions of responsibility. But without a doubt, the best thing that happened to me at Digitech's office strategies was meeting Samantha, the woman who would eventually become my wife. A bright young manager herself, she was strikingly pretty with a formidable intellect to match. Formidable का मतलब होता है difficult to deal with. After meeting at the Christmas party, we quickly hit it off and were soon spending what little free time we had together. From day one, Samantha was my greatest fan, a true believer in my potential and talent. Peter, you will be the CEO. She would regularly tell me, giving me soft smile. I know you have got what it takes. Unfortunately, not everyone felt the same way, or perhaps they did. सो गाइज मैंने ऑलमोस्ट अभी इस चैप्टर के 2 पेजेस रीड करके बताए हैं और इसमें आई फाउंड दैट वी हैव गॉट 34 वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स. सो आई विल क्विकली रिवाइज दोज वर्ड्स, 34 वर्ड्स, एंड लास्ट में मैं आपको एक स्लाइड में या एक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं ये वर्ड्स विद देयर मीनिंग्स भी शेयर कर दूंगी. और वर्ड्स हैं जैसे enormous, hunched, mahogany, coveted, rifling, oblivious, invasion, escort, dismissal, varsity, destine, obsessive, penniless, tranquil, extraordinary, compensation, supper, grueling, parables, deathbed, digging, abandon, untilled, apparent, deception, yielded, dedication, diligence, toiled diligently, lucrative, astonishingly, lofty, humiliate, formidable. So guys, these are the words, जो 34 words जो हमको यहाँ पे अभी हमने इन 2 pages में देखे हैं. सो गाइज अभी मैं इस वीडियो के एंड में ये सारे वर्ड्स आपको या तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी या फिर मैं एक यहाँ पे स्लाइड लगा दूँगी. और होप यू हैव लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड यू हैव लाइक दिस सीरीज विच आई एम गोइंग टू share with you, so that your pronunciation, not only your pronunciation will get enhanced, but also your vocabulary will also get improved. So I hope you all have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please press the like button so that I'll get motivated and I can share with you more and more videos of such kind. And and please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be taking the series of this kind of videos which I have started from today. So thanks for watching guys. I will meet you with another video with another reading passage. Thanks for watching.